Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to be learning on how to spell and write the word sun. So the word sun has 3 letters and those letters are S, U, N. And S, U, N spells the word sun. Now I want you guys to spell the word sun with me. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. S-U-N spells the word sun. Nice job. So now we're going to write the word sun. So our first letter is S. Our second letter is U. And our third letter is N. And S-U-N spells the word sun. Let's go ahead and write the word sun one more time. So the first letter in sun is S. After S, we have U. After U, we have N. Nice job, friends. Now, let's play a fun game called Fill in the Blanks. I'm going to write one letter using the word we just learned how to spell and write on one of these lines. And then you guys have to fill in the blanks with the other missing letters that Miss T did not write. Are you guys ready? Let's go. So the first letter Miss T is going to write is S. So Miss T wrote the letter S. So now you guys have to fill in the other 2 missing letters. I'm going to wait and let you guys fill in those letters. Okay. Did you guys put U and N? If you did, pat yourself on the back. Nice job. Now let's try it a different way. I'm going to erase what I have and I'm going to start all over making my lines again. And now Miss T is going to think of another letter. Which letter do I want to write? Ooh, I got it. So Miss T is going to write the letter N. Now you guys have to fill in the other 2 letters that are missing. I'm going to give you guys a second to let you fill it in. Did you guys put S and U? If you did, pat yourself on the back. Nice job. Now let's try it one more way. Gonna erase what I have. Gonna make my 3 lines. And now I'm gonna think about which letter do I want to write. Okay, I got it. Miss T is gonna write the letter U. Now you guys have to fill in the other 2 missing letters. All right, did you guys fill in S and N? If you did, pat yourself on the back. Nice job, friends. I am so proud of you guys. You learned how to spell and write the word sun. Now I have a challenge for you guys to do at home. What I want you to do after watching this video, I want you to go ahead and spell and write the word sun all on your own. All right, friends. Bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.